how to enable the dark mode in your Google Maps application for Android or iOS. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the color scheme from light to dark or from dark to light and vice versa in Google Maps. So let me show you. So the first thing you need to do is click onto your profile icon at the top right of your Google Maps homepage. Once you will do this, you can see this following menu. And from here you can see this settings option. So simply click onto the settings option and you will be landed on this page. Now from here you need to click onto this theme option. Once you will click onto the theme option, it has three options. The first one is that the theme will always be in light mode. The another one is that the Google Maps theme will always be in dark mode, and then the third option which says the same as device theme. So for example, if you turn your device into light mode, then the Google Maps application will automatically turn into light mode, and vice versa. If your mobile is in dark mode, the Google Maps application will automatically turn it to dark mode. So if you want it to remain in dark mode all the time, what you can do is simply choose this always in dark theme and then click onto the save button. And here you can see, just as I clicked on the save button, the Google Maps application has changed its theme to dark mode. So that's how easy it is to switch between the theme modes in Google Maps. So if this video was any helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or queries to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.